My sister, choose the money, the love will follow.
Hey guys, this is Nelo Okeke. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, so welcome everybody. I bring our sister Nelo Okeke come my YouTube channel. Don't have her, guy. Please go and follow Nelo Okeke. Yes, so now our Nigeria big YouTuber. In fact, our sweet Nigeria big YouTuber. Yes, I call her sweet Nigeria big YouTuber because she understands. Okay. My people, I bring her come my YouTube channel today. We will watch two different videos. Our sister Nelo Okeke, she talk about marry for money, no marry for love. The thing knock my head. I say that my sister they talk, so me I look her way. Abi I dey sleep, abi I dey dream. Me I look her way again. Now she say what she read talk, she mean am. Then I go deep for where me still believe say I don't see some people when they get money, when they be in fact they get am for money, I know even bring the strong one come and just bring at least like average. They get money, but the lack of love. They get money, but the lack of love. Then they see her husband like I don't know how to describe her because YouTube some things there you don't feel use am, you know. When I say this my sister they talk about I say my sister this one no enter for me oh. I know everybody get their own opinion oh. My opinion not go like this oh. Now I carry and call my channel. Now I say me I can't deliberate on her. First of all, me we first listen to our sister Nelo Okeke before we dive into another person when I bring on my side, okay?
Bad thing. Liking money is not a bad thing. That they are brokers to go and work harder. If you have the opportunity,
Liking money is not a bad thing and it's not a real bad thing. For you to like money, not be bad thing. But marry because of money. Marry because of when you see love, then you see money. You know, when our Lord Jesus Christ finished 40 days fasting, 40 days and 40 nights, the first person when it tempt her, the first thing when they take tempt her now wet. May we be very careful if you are a lady out there. Be very, very careful. Okay, let's listen to our sister. The short one, then I will still bring another one come outside, okay?
to marry for money or for love, my sister, choose the money, the love will follow. You know, love is more, sorry on my phone, let me put on silence. You know, love is more important in a marriage, blah, blah, blah. You see, we're not debunking that love is important too. That's not why we're here. But I'm here to tell you guys the importance of money and why you should marry for money. You watching this video, I'm here to tell you why you should marry for money. See, you guys already know that I'm here to do the Lord's work, okay? This is the truth that a lot of people don't like to say.
My people, my sister say, may we marry for money. Please, if you want to know the full video, go to her channel, Nelo Okeke. Go to her channel and watch the full video, okay? I want you to deliberate my opinion also. I go want, may we still watch this person. These people, when she say her husband get money, but no love, no affection, nothing. Money dey oh, no be say money no dey. Those people get money. In fact, the man they do house choice. The man no want make his wife leave him. The man they do everything. There is money, but the lack of love. You see life.
My husband. We came from Anambra State, but we reside in Ekiti State, Nigeria. I'm a student of Unizik, Nnamdi Azikiwe University, Oka, 500 level. We have been married for 1 year ago. So, although I know my husband's weakness, but at a point, I have to call him as my husband. I sat him down. I told him, these are the areas you're having weakness, so we need to build it up together as one family. So after everything, the problem is not about his appearance. I want to start from there. His appearance does not attract me, although I saw it before I married him. But both...
My people, you now hear that? She saw it before she entered. Why she entered? She entered because of money. She see it. She see how her husband be. Then she entered because kudi dey, money dey. She look and say, I fit dey travel, go this, I fit dey do like that, I fit dey fix this, I fit dey. But love not there. She want just marry because she see money. Deep to her own marriage, money involved. Then somebody when she's supposed to marry, the person disappoint her. Then she see this man, not because of say she get affection for the man at all. Not because of say even like the man at all. Just because of say she see money. Oga see money, mama see money. Just because of say she see money. Then she entered the marriage. Marriage of 1 year, they start to, they do kata kata. He want leave marriage. The man will say, hey, baby, where you they go now, baby? You married, I marry you, baby. I beg you, baby. My money is there now, baby. I can't, baby. Girl say, mama, papa, me I no fit marry a girl. Me I want leave this marriage. Not be as I think am. Money not be everything, no. It's true, money is good. Money is good. If you marry for money, when that money not dey at all, when you no come see the money, how the marriage go be? May we ask ourselves. My sister Nelo, if you come across this my channel, I beg, I would really love to hear your part of this part. So, what of you marry man because of money? Then when the money not come dey again, and you don't quick you born 1, 2, 3 for inside that marriage, then the money come finish. How you go feel? You know how many of our people, nobody write poverty for head though. Nobody say I love to live inside poverty. No. Meanwhile, they talk to you. So I love money. I like money, but with sense and with wisdom. What if you come marry that man? He don't quick you born 1, 2, 3. The money can't go. How you go feel? I see when TB Joshua talk say, I would like to play this part. Things when he mention. When those things not dey marriage, when the money finish, time of trial. He say, the time of trial. When you marry for money, when you not marry for love. You not marry. Say, okay, this person, I like him. I love him. At least in character, before money they enter. They not tie with women handle. Talk of now when social media don't dey. Our husband feel they work, feel they do things. But we, when they say, my husband go do this. Yes, your husband can do it, but they not tie your hand now. They not tie your hand. Now you go put yourself just because of money. Because many people nowadays, they marry because of money. Yes, many people. They marry because of money. You tell me, say, Regina Dyna, sorry, say, sister, use your name. You tell me, say, I'm love this girl, say, marry this man. No. She married him because of his money. If na love, some people date this man age mate, age mate. Why she not married the one who not get money? Now because of money, now he marry. But now we still there, wash. I wish them successful marriage. When you get money, you find love is good. But when you see money, you see love. For me, I will tell you, go for the love, not go for money. Some people they get money, rest of mind, they lack of it. Some people they get money, everyday fight, everyday beat. Some people they marry for money, the man go they bring other woman come the house. You go say, I think you marry me because of my money. The woman no get voice. Many day now for social media. If you get luck, say you just marry man when it gets money, when it still love you, kudos to you. But if they bring money and love, choose the love, my sister. One day God will, you know, say through both of you coming together, show each other love. God will use an answer on a prayer. But if you marry man because of money, if that money not there again, and you don't quick you born for that kind of house, you go leave your children for suffer, or you start to drag your children. All that time, everyday fight. Not be waiting you tell me. Not be waiting you tell you. No, he not be God. He not be God. He just find himself say life turned upside down. People are like that. They not pray for the kind of condition when they live, but they find themselves in that way. Just because of saying there is love, they feel come together, conquer that poverty out of their life. But place when love not there, you just marry man because of money. Men just they do and marry woman because of money. When that money gone, the marriage is gone. When that money go, the marriage is gone. Until una see that short video, when una watch so, the girl, he married this guy without being told. She married this guy because of money. The money even still there now. The man don't they rotate her. She and the man don't they sleep for the same bed again. In fact, she know they do nothing. If you watch the video, if you request for the video, I will send that for you, or I will go find the video, put the link for my description so that me una watch her. The money is still there, but no affection. You don't chop the money, chop the money, chop the money. Now the man they train her for school. Now the man they do everything for her. Now, if the man go visit her, dress like this, do this one, do this one, do my parable say. If mama will short, small, na still your mama. We use her sink. Na so husband still be. Because you are not blind before you choose this man. What of people they marry cripple when they don't get money? They not be human being. They find their love there. They find their peace there. The highest reach in this world is rest of mind. The highest reach when human being can give you is rest of mind. If you have rest of mind, some people when they say they get billion, when now come out together, they'll say you get, in fact, you be billionaire. They don't know say no shishi. for your pocket. But just because of say rest of mind, and you marry the person when you know say he go respect you, he go cherish you, he go respect you. When the money come, in fact, everywhere go still. For me, if you are a young girl out there, look for who love you. Look for who will respect you as a woman. Look for who will cherish you. Look for who will be there for you in time of anything. Difficulty, harsh time, God will rebuke harsh time. In fact, anything at all. Because you are a Christian, not mean say you will not face trial and temptation. As far you are living, you will still face it. But when trial and that temptation, who will stand by you is your husband, is your wife. But when that man marry you because of money, when that trial and difficult time come, the man will cower. When you marry woman, when you marry man or woman marry you because of your money, when that difficult time come, hardship come, she will cower. Pray may God give you your bone to bone. Pray may God give you the man who will be there for you when you dey in need. Money is good, don't get it twisted, but love is the greatest. Love is the highest. Man when he go cherish you. Like my sister Nelo, when he come from rich home, he papa get, he uncle get. I know we supposed to dey hear and say marry for money, because money no be anything for her. Because when she dey grow up, she dey see the money. E no be like us when we really struggle. But I always dey shock when she go say marry for money. No. Now money dey cost many things. See our youth, they go finish school now. Our youth, you see boy, bright future, sharp, smart. Just because of money, you go extra length. Because girl when in love, when they dive, when they dream for, the girl no wan see am. The girl wan see another guy. Then you need to go use the mama, or you want use the head, or you want do anything at all. Make sure say get the girl. I not believe say our that is my mother's time, my father's time, our grandfather's time. Things not be like this at all. That they carry woman give them. But now they don't free us. You can marry, you can choose your husband by yourself. We women, for that our Africa, Nigeria, we contribute to our brother when they go extra length, go do something just because men rich. Because nowadays, man when not rich, woman not they marry him again. Nowadays, man when not get money, woman not they look if it. They need to use in her head. What will they talk about? Before you go see husband and wife, boyfriend and girlfriend come together, make things. I know say some men after all the suffer, they go leave you, but don't worry. God have reason for everything. If man disappoints you, as God will take bless you, you know. If you offend man, maybe una born together, una get children together, una do everything together, he can't disappoint you. As God will take open your way, take lift you, you know. I think that Mama Don David now. I think that they hear that woman story. Now they hear how she take suffer follow the man when she have David with. What did the man do? The man disappoint her. But today, Uko, when I go look the woman, look the man. He tell the man, say, at that time, when una tell rich, she not rich. But now, the car where she dey drive, that man no fit drive her. The house where she dey build now, that man family no fit build her. What are we talking about? Wetin we dey talk? If man disappoints you, woman disappoints you, know your worth. Focus. Work hard, and God will add bless your top. This Mama Don David so. My people, I know say many of us don't see am, we don't wash am. My advice still come like this. No marry for money. Money good though. Not be say money not good, but money is the root of all finisher evil. Money good. Not be say money not good. But if you seek two things, money and love, peace. Love have peace. It have care. It have everything. Money na worldly things. Money, if you buy hair, if you buy latest car, if you do everything, what of your inner peace? Where it dey? If they present money and love, my brother, my sister, choose the love. No worry. As you choose the love, God will add, God will multiply love, money, rich, breakthrough inside. Rest of mind, peace. Now they feel they pursue money. Some people get money today. Now today you know, you don't know tomorrow. Yes, ask me again. My beautiful sister Nelo Okeke, for me, I for love. I wish I did Nigeria. I for love, say, with my broken about this love, may we break hand down for each other. Then I'll bring my evidence. You go bring your evidence. Forget, say, oh, your husband get money. But for me, I don't believe, say, when you marry your husband, you just get money like this. No. I don't believe so. You come out from rich home. I don't believe your husband just get money like that. Or maybe your husband has still come from rich home. You understand? I believe you start for somewhere. I believe you start for somewhere. Today now, see you and your husband. You not businesswoman. You crack your brain. You do things. You know how to make up. Some women, they don't want to do anything. They want to put in their hand. They look for Yahoo boy. They look for the honey. Where they don't plant honey, put. My people, this my video don't too long. I don't want, it's fat. If I say me, I gist and they deliberate, if it go too long. I'll see you in my next video. Please put your comment in the comment section. Money and love, which one you choose? For me, I choose love. Love is full of everything. Peace. The money when they talk about, so with love, money they there. Happiness, money they inside. Love, happiness, money they inside. That is love. Now happiness, love. Now peace of mind. Love now care. Love now. In fact, love now still money. Some people day to day they drink only water. If you see, they'll say, ah. When some they go rub the highest cream. When you go see, they'll say, bleh. You go know say that money they work, but rest of mind, the lack of it. Don't forget, my sister Nelo Okeke say, Jesus Christ, after 40 days and 40 nights, waiting devil take tempt am. Now those words when they look unto today, those words, follow me, I will give you those words. But if follow his father's love, everything adds to him. Everything adds to him. I'll see you in my next video. Do wait to give me a thumbs up. Go follow Nelo if you don't get her. Okay, Nelo Okeke. Go and follow her. Okay, now our sweet YouTube, yes, our big YouTuber. Okay, go and follow her. Watch that her video. Drop your comment. If you tell her say coming from Naija Daughter TV. Yeah, so if you don't get her, forget it. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Drop your own opinion.
Now everybody go to breakfast.